My name is Lirim Lenz. Currently I'm 2. I'm from Rulage, here in the south, Johannesburg, South Africa. I've been riding for 5 years, since the year 2015. I started riding because I came to this park with a couple of friends and in sport, and I saw other people riding and saw what bike could do. Ever since. Bmx Day is a fun event where everybody comes together to ride spots, to see each other, to experience BMX all together. And I don't know, BMX Day it's a culture. BMX culture in the south, I'd say it's fairly good, but most launches it's kind of bad. But not a lot of them can see what we do, and not a lot of them get to go other places to witness more. So what they see is what we can do. In Johannesburg, what could be done? More competitions, more support, more parks. In the next 5 years, I am pushing to be under a team, under a BMX brand. So in the next 5 years, I push to get a sponsor and pretty much put myself out there more in the